Hey everyone, welcome back to Graphics Tricks. As we approach the end of another year, it's the perfect time to reflect on the lessons life has thrown our way. Today, I'll be sharing 7 valuable life lessons that I learned in 2024. If you're ready to dive into some reflections and insights, hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and let's get started. 1. Embrace change. One of the most profound lessons I've learned this year is the importance of embracing change. Life is unpredictable, and sometimes it takes unexpected turns. Instead of resisting, try to adapt and find the opportunities that change can bring. Whether it's a career shift, a relationship change, or even a change in perspective, embracing the unknown can lead to personal growth and new beginnings. 2. Prioritize mental health. In the hustle and bustle of daily life, it's easy to overlook our mental well-being. This year taught me the significance of prioritizing mental health. Taking time for self-care, seeking professional help when needed, and practicing mindfulness can make a world of difference. Remember, a healthy mind contributes to a fulfilling life. 3. Cultivate resilience. Life is full of challenges, and building resilience is crucial. This year, I faced my fair share of setbacks, but it taught me the importance of bouncing back stronger. Cultivating resilience involves learning from failures, staying positive, and maintaining a forward-thinking mindset. It's not about avoiding challenges, but rather about growing through them. Nurture relationships. In the fast-paced world we live in, it's easy to neglect relationships. This year emphasized the value of nurturing meaningful connections. Whether it's with family, friends, or colleagues, investing time and effort into relationships is essential for a fulfilling life. Take a moment to reach out, express gratitude, and cherish the people around you. 5. Practice gratitude. Gratitude can transform ordinary moments into extraordinary ones. Amidst the chaos, I learned to appreciate the small things and express gratitude for what I have. Keeping a gratitude journal or simply taking a moment each day to reflect on the positives can significantly improve your overall outlook on life. 6. Follow your passions. This year reaffirmed the importance of pursuing what sets your soul on fire. Whether it's a hobby, a career change, or a personal project, following your passions brings joy and purpose to life. Don't be afraid to take that leap of faith and invest time in what truly makes you happy. 7. Adopt a growth mindset. Lastly, adopting a growth mindset can be a game changer. Embracing challenges as opportunities to learn, being open to new experiences, and continuously seeking self-improvement are key components of a growth mindset. This year, I learned that a mindset focused on growth can lead to limitless possibilities. Conclusion. As we wrap up this reflection on 7 life lessons learned in 2024, I encourage you to take some time for your own introspection. What lessons has this year taught you? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and let's continue to learn and grow together. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss out on future videos. Thanks for joining me on this journey, and here's to a year of growth, resilience, and meaningful connections. Until next time, take care.